Welcome to the ultimate guide to financial freedom in 2026. If you've ever felt like your money disappears the moment it hits your account, you aren't alone. Most people focus on earning more, but they forget that wealth is built on how you manage what you already have. Today, we are breaking down the three pillars of wealth: personal finance management, multiple income streams, and the basics of investing. By the end of this video, you will have a practical budget and a plan to start your investment journey. Let's dive in. The first step to wealth isn't investing, it's control. Think of your finances like a bucket. It doesn't matter how much water you pour in if there are holes at the bottom. First, let's talk about the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to your needs. This is non-negotiable, like your rent and groceries. 30% is for wants, the fun stuff, Netflix and eating out. The final 20%? That is your freedom fund. This goes towards savings and debt. Speaking of freedom, you need an emergency fund. In today's economy, you need at least 6 months of expenses saved up. Why? Because life happens. Your car breaks down or a medical bill hits. Keep this money in a money market fund. In 2026, these are the gold standard because they are liquid, meaning you can get your cash in 24 to 48 hours, but they still pay you interest. Now let's address the elephant in the room: debt. Not all debt is bad. If you take a loan to buy a tractor for your farm or a laptop for your freelance business, that's good debt because it helps you earn more. Bad debt is that high-interest digital loan you took to buy the latest iPhone. To eliminate debt, use the snowball method. Pay off your smallest debts first to gain momentum. Finally, where do you keep your money? In Africa, the battle between banks and mobile money is over. The answer is both. Use M-Pesa or Airtel money for daily transactions and speed, but keep your long-term wealth in regulated banks or investment accounts for better security and access to credit. You cannot save your way to $1 billion. You have to earn your way there. There are three main types of income you need to know: earned income from your job, business income from your side hustles, and portfolio income from your investments. The secret to wealth is multiple income streams. Look at Aliko Dangote. He started with cement, but he didn't stop there. He moved into sugar, salt, and now in 2026, he is listing his massive oil refinery on the stock exchange. He is a master of vertical integration, owning every part of the process. For you, a side hustle doesn't have to be a factory. In 2026, the global freelance market is your playground. If you have a laptop, you can earn in US dollars while living in Nairobi, Lagos, or Accra. Whether it's virtual assistants, AI prompting, or graphic design, the goal is to decouple your income from your local economy. If you prefer something local, look at agribusiness or e-commerce. The key is scaling. Start small, prove the concept, and then use your 20% freedom fund to grow the business. Don't just be a freelancer. Eventually hire other freelancers and become a business owner. Now that you've patched the holes in your bucket and you're pouring in more water, it's time to make that water grow. This is investing. Investing is simply putting your money to work so you don't have to work as hard. The most powerful concept here is compounding. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. If you invest $1,000 at a 10% annual return, you don't just get $100. Next year, you get 10% of $1,100. Over 20 years, this turns small amounts into a fortune. But wait, don't chase every get-rich-quick scheme. Understand the risk versus reward trade-off. High returns usually mean high risk. In 2026, we see many people losing money in unregulated crypto schemes. Stick to the basics. Diversification. Spread your money across real estate, which is yielding 8 to 10% in East African hubs right now, government bonds, and low-cost index funds. Before you invest, you must know your risk profile. Are you young and can afford to lose some money for a chance at high growth? Or are you near retirement and need to protect what you have? Your strategy depends on your age and your goals. Time to get practical. Grab a pen. Step 1, write down your total income. Apply the 50-30-20 rule right now. Step 2, list every debt you owe from smallest to largest. That's your hit list. Step 3, open a money market fund account this week. Even if you start with $10, just start. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and how hard that money works for you. You have the tools, the strategy, and the 2026 market insights. The only thing left is action. Subscribe for more financial deep dives, and I'll see you in the next video.